Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with frustrating lag on Instagram Reels in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether it's buffering endlessly or skipping frames, this issue can kill your vibe while scrolling through fun content. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through simple, effective fixes that work on both Android and iOS devices. By the end of this video, you'll have your Reels running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First things first, update your Instagram app. In 2025, apps get regular updates to fix bugs and boost performance, so head to your App Store, search for Instagram, and hit that update button. It's the easiest step and often solves the problem right away. Next, clear your app's cache. Over time, cached data can build up and cause slowdowns. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS, offload the app or restart it after deleting temporary files. This fresh start can make a huge difference. Now, check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data signal is a common culprit for lag. Make sure you're on a stable network, switch to Wi-Fi if possible, or restart your router. Test your speed. Anything below 5 megabits per second might struggle with high-quality reels. Another quick fix: restart your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot clears temporary glitches and refreshes your system, giving apps like Instagram a performance boost. Don't forget to manage your storage space. If your phone is almost full, it can slow everything down. Free up some room by deleting unused apps, old photos, or downloads. Aim for at least 10 to 20% free space for optimal performance. If these steps don't work, dive into Instagram's settings. Try lowering video quality in the app's preferences or disabling any experimental features that might be causing issues. And as a last resort, reach out to Instagram support through their help center. They're pretty responsive in 2025. There you have it, folks. These straightforward tips should banish that lag for good and get you back to enjoying Reels without interruptions. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.